Now anyone can sew like a pro with the all-new miniaturized portable sewing machine that fits in the palm of your hand. Introducing Magic Stitch. It's so fast and so easy. Just thread the needle with the included needle threading assist tool and you're ready to start sewing. Now you can instantly fix, attach, or sew anything from fine fabrics to heavy denim. A hole can hold you up for the day. But keep Magic Stitch handy, and even if you've never sewn anything before, in seconds that blouse will be as good as new. Like magic. Magic Stitch is battery-operated, so you can use it anywhere, anytime. Put the power and features of a full-size sewing machine in the palm of your hand with Magic Stitch. If you love to make crafts, you're going to love the convenience of Magic Stitch. Fix broken straps in a snap, anytime, anywhere. Repair clothing and garments anytime, anywhere. Hem pants right on the leg, anytime, anywhere. The durable chain stitch ensures a clean, secure job every time. Now you can repair pockets without taking your clothes off. Problem solved in just a few stitches. Magic Stitch uses the latest microtechnology so it fits in the palm of your hand. Magic Stitch is so easy and safe, a child can use it. Magic Stitch comes complete with 3 mini spools of thread. But attach the included extension spindle and you can use larger spools in any color you want. Perfect for crafting, creating costumes, and adding a decorative touch to all sorts of fabrics. Whether you're just a beginner, a master seamstress, or just need something handy for those quick fixes, Magic Stitch is the perfect household tool for you.
Similar products can cost an absolute fortune. Don't waste your money, because today we have a very special offer. Order right now and we'll give you a 50% discount. Yes, you heard right, it's yours at half our regular price. But wait, there's more. Order right now and we'll double the offer. That's right, order now and get a second one absolutely free. That's 2 amazing products for the price of just one. And there's still more. If you order in the next 20 minutes, we'll send it by express delivery for free. Anywhere in the country, but you must order now. Plus, try it for 30 days, and if you're not completely satisfied, return it for a full refund. No questions asked. Now, you've got nothing to lose. It's 100% risk-free. This is a limited time offer and it's only available while stocks last. You get it all. Everything you see here, all for a special low discounted price. So don't wait. Don't delay. Don't miss out. Order now by sending us a comment or message us right here to live chat for our discounted price, or visit our website, or simply call the number below. Payment is super easy. You choose cash on delivery, credit card, mobile payment. But hurry, this is a limited time offer and is not available in any store anywhere, so you must order right now. So don't delay. Chat message with us or just call right now.